Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Grok chat history. So as you can see, there is so many chat history. Now to delete this chat history, you can delete it manually. Just click on three dot icon and then you can delete it. But if you have lot of chat history, so to delete by one click, just go to the bottom left corner and then click on your profile icon. Now go to the settings. Now here you can see data control. Just go to data control and then scroll down, go to the bottom, and then here you can see delete all conversion. Just click on delete, then it will be delete all of the conversion chat history. Just click on are you sure. Okay, and there you go, we have successfully deleted our all chat history by one click. So that's how you can delete chat history within a single click. So hope that this video help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.